Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we are going to see important ABAP key shortcuts when we are using ABAP editor. So let us go one by one with the sample code also. The first one is Ctrl plus D. This will duplicate the lines in the ABAP editor. So for example, if if I want to duplicate this line, place the cursor at the end of the line and do Ctrl D. This is going to duplicate that entire line. And next is control plus slash. So whenever you wanted to navigate to a command field, so wherever you are in the editor, just press control plus slash. It will take you to a command field. The third one is control plus J. This will convert it to proper cases where the first letter of the every word becomes capital letter. This is useful when you are writing the commands in between the code. So for example, if I'm going to write some comment here, this is a sample comment. So if I wanted to convert into the proper casing, then do control plus J. This is control plus J. Select the line and do control plus J. This will convert the first letter of the word into capitals. So this will beautify your code. And the next one is control plus I. This is very useful advanced search option. No need to wait after you type, then hit enter to search. The moment you type it, it start searching for the letter which you type it. So if I click on control plus I and I start searching L, yes, so it starts searching from the bottom. And if I use escape, control plus alt, control plus shift plus I, control plus shift plus I, it will search from backwards. Control shift I, then it starts in the all half backwards. So this is very useful when you are using the large search in the larger lines of codes. And next one we see is control plus O. This will take you to particular line number. If you wanted to jump directly to certain part line number, you click control plus O and type, for example, line 5. It will directly take me to that particular line and start typing the code there. And if you wanted to save your ABAP program in ABAP format itself, then use control plus shift plus S. So control plus shift plus yes, then it will directly save in the ABAP format itself. So if I save somewhere in this, then we can directly open in the ABAP format. The next one we are going to see is commenting and uncommenting the lines and program lines. So this is very easy by using control comma and control dot. So if I want to comment it, control comma, uncomment it, control dot. It's very simple. And the next one is the swapping the lines between one line and another one. So that is control alt and T. So for example, if I write one word, write test and write, if I wanted to swap, then you see control alt and T. So it is swapping. Again, if you wanted to see, use the same command, it will swap. Then if you want to delete the complete line, then use control shift and L. So place the cursor here, control shift and L. So delete the complete line. And the next one is when you wanted to jump between the paragraphs, or if you wanted to find out where the if and end if starts, where the loop and end loop is starting, without using the mouse key, it is just simple. Use control and open brackets and close brackets. So if I use control open brackets, it goes to the start, control close, it comes to the end. The next paragraph, so control goes to the end. And next is select. data declaration. So it will take you to the next paragraphs in the program lines. Control shift number 8 and control shift number 2 is works the page similar to page down and page up. Control shift and number 8, control shift and number 8 and 2. So yeah, I don't have much thing to scroll up and down. So if you have more number of lines, you can use this shortcuts. It's very useful. And this is very important for the mappers. If you don't know what is been assigned to that particular variable, then you can use this control spacebar. It will give you the assigned variables or the type of the data it is being declared, etc. So for example, now if I write ls underscore, see this is popping up. So if I use tab, it will come, and then control spacebar, it will list you all the variables which is been assigned to it, or the field which is been assigned to it. It's very useful. The next is where you wanted to delete the words or the previous one and the next one, and then simply use only this will delete only the keywords. So for example, if you use this control delete and control spacebar, control delete, it is deleting control spacebar, it will delete the previous keyword. The next one would be I will be showing how to use your own shortcuts in program completion and other templates. All these shortcuts is already defined by SAP, that you can find it in ABAP editor. You can go to SC30 ABAP editor and go to the right corner bottom. You will have a small editor kind. So if you double click, options like display font, code completion, etc. Now I'll show you the code completion example. So go to code completion, sorry, code template, and if was sample, there is a case which is already defined by SAP. This you can modify as well. So it is up to you. It is if you want to add some another two more when you can do it. So now I'm going to add a new code template. So the text shortcut is V star, and what it should bring up is start of my insertion, comma, end of insertion, and save it. So now come back to editor and type V star and do tab. You will get this code template finishing. So this is very simple and awesome, right? And the next one is assigning a custom keyboard shortcut. So for that, you go to right corner, edit the editor. There will be a clipboard. Double click, go to this keyboard option. And then for each of the shortcut, there will be a shortcut key assigned. We have to find out for which action there is no shortcut key assigned. I have found one action there is no shortcut is been assigned. That is edit, copy, append. So this is I have already assigned before this demo. So it was not assigned earlier. So I will remove it and save. So now we are going to assign that back. So that is going to copy that line and append it to the new line. That is copy, edit, copy, append. So there is nothing here. So Control Alt C. You do assign and then save it. So here you do Control Alt C. Next line, if you do Control V, it will copy, append. It will keep on appending it. So this is also custom assigning of your shortcuts. So this way you can assign your own shortcuts. Whichever is not assigned, you have to find out which is not assigned, and you can assign your own shortcut keys. Thank you for watching this video. If you like it, please share to your friends and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.